Hi guys, welcome to How To Library. Today I'm going to show you how to set your status on Discord. Right now I'm on a channel I created, but first you need to go to your profile. That we're going to click on the three lines on the top left corner next to the hashtag general, and that will take us here. Now, as you can see, at the bottom of the screen, we have about 5 icons: the little Discord icon, a little person icon, a little search icon, a ads icon, and on the bottom right corner, we have a little profile icon. Either it can contain your profile picture, and if you don't have a profile picture, it will probably just have the first letter of your name. So we're going to click on the profile icon. This will take us here. So as you can see, this is How To Library, the hashtag my number, and then right under it is set status. So we're going to click on set status. And right now you can set it to online, idle, do not disturb, or invisible. You can also set a custom status, but I'm gonna go with invisible. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.